Okay guys, it's in there. Hear me breathing hard? It's in there. It is in there. What's next? Excuse me.
Use a feeler gauge set to measure the end plate of this clutch pack. It should be between 30 and 65 thousandths of an inch. If the clearance is outside of this range, there are 6 selective end plates of different thicknesses available to adjust it. Installing the 3/4 clutch begins with a close look at the snap ring, end plate, apply plate, and the load release springs. Although they appear to be ruined from heat, which destroyed the friction and seals, let's take a second look after being cleaned with solvent. I've cleaned up the bench by removing all of the old clutch plates, drum seal, and O-ring. I've also cleaned the 3/4 clutch parts. Even though it looks as if I haven't done anything at all to them, they not only have been cleaned, but are also in perfect shape and reusable. Here's why. They're simply stained black. I used a straight edge to find out, more importantly, that both the end plate and apply plate.
Alright, I need to really look at this. Talk to y'all later.